Hey everyone, good morning. I'm Priyanshu Agdwal and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Now we are going to see today's Leetcode daily challenge, which is largest triangle area. Okay, so let's see what is this question and how we can solve it. So in this question, you are given an array of points on the xy plane points, where points I is this xi and yi. Return the area of the largest triangle that can be formed by any 3 points. Okay. Answers within 10 to the power minus 5 of the actual answer will be accepted. Okay, because it can go in the decimals, that's why you have been given that answers within 10 to the power minus 5 of the actual answers will be accepted. Okay, so what you have been given in this question is a array of points which contain some coordinates, we can say, and we need to find the maximum area of a triangle by taking any 3 points from this points array. Okay, and we need to maximize this triangle area. Okay, so in this example you can see you have been given with these 5 points, one this, this and this. Now you will need to return the maximum area of a triangle from any of the 3 points from these 5 points. Okay, so one triangle could be this, right? One area is this. Okay, and one triangle could be this one, bigger one. Obviously the area of this triangle is going to be large, so we will calculate the area of this triangle and will return it. Okay, here we can see it in this image, or we can say in the graph, but how we will calculate, how we will get to know the largest triangle programmatically? Okay, so what you can do, one brute force approach, and not one brute force approach, it is the approach for this question, is that you can iterate on all the points, and basically you can try for all the combinations, let's say I, J and K. Basically what you are doing, you are picking each point one by one and calculating for every combination, right? So at every combination you will try to maximize your area. Okay, you can maximize your area. Okay, but how you will calculate the area, because you have been given with the coordinates only. Okay, so one way could be your Helon's formula. Okay, what does this Helon's formula do? Helon's formula will help you in getting the area of a triangle, but it needs the side, it is based on the length of the side of the triangle. Okay, if you have been given with the coordinates, then obviously you can find the length of the sides of the triangle. That should also be fine, but there is one more formula which depends on the coordinates of your triangle, which is shoelace formula, which is which depends on the coordinates of the triangle, and it also returns you the area of a triangle. So what you can do, you can apply your shoelace formula here, and let's say P, Q, R, these are your 3 coordinates, and you can get the area of your triangle with this shoelace formula and maximize your area for each combination of your coordinates, right? Okay, this seems quite simple, and yeah, we just need to do this thing in this session. It just, you should be knowing either this one, either any of these formula. Ideally these mathematical details should be given in the question description itself, because this is a coding question and not a mathematics question. But yeah, it's not there in this question, that's the bad part of this question. So what you can do, you can just simply try for all the combinations of the coordinates and maximize your area with the help of shoelace formula. Okay, now let's see in the code, like what is your shoelace formula. So what we are doing, we are simply iterating on all the points and trying out for all the combinations and maximize our area. So here we have declared one area function, which is basically taking 3 points and calculating the area of a triangle. So this is the formula, shoelace formula, 0.5 multiplied by absolute value of P0 Q1 minus R1 is the second coordinate of both the points, first coordinate, second coordinate of the remaining 2 points, right? So this is our shoelace formula, and we can simply maximize our area and return our area. Okay, so now what will be the time complexity of this question? So we are learning 3 nested loops, so it will be NQ, and we have not used any extra space, so its space complexity will be big of 1, right? So yeah, that's all for this question. I hope you get it. This was a pretty easy question, but like this mathematical data was too bad to figure it out. But yeah, I hope you get it, and if you still have any doubts, you can post in the comment section. I will surely try to answer them. Till then, bye guys. See you in the next video.